Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified issue on iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now you are unable to install some apps in your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and now scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and after this go back and now scroll it below and then tap on date and time and set your date and time from here and then scroll it below and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here and then go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and enter the passcode of your device and reset the network settings of your device for one time as well. And after this you have to give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this again open your settings and now scroll it below and go to screen time and scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this and after this try to install the app again. So guys, hopefully this time you will be able to install the app very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.